What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I'm looking crazy, but we finna fix it up real quick. So let's just jump right into the video. If you guys have seen some of my previous videos, I don't know what order they're gonna be uploaded in, but if you didn't see that one, I'm just gonna apologize for the quality now. There's something wrong with my new microphone. I have to get a new battery, so I'm using my old microphone and my old lens right now, so my quality may not be A1, but it's A2. So just bear with me and let's get into the hair. So I'm gonna take my comb and make me a nice part. And my hair is like crazy right now because I've been in and out the gym, so my hair is not really my friend right now. So I like to do my parts slanted. How you do yours is really up to you. So we're going to take the section that we are going to slick down, and we're going to tie that away. This is what we're slicking, so I really hope the quality isn't too bad, but all right. So now that we got that done, we need to get up in here, and this is like an old wash and go type thing we got going here. So my curls are like still clumped together back here, and then up here it's like super frizzy because I was sweating. But we're going to start by splitting our hair in half. And this is just so that we can better slick up the back. The back is usually the hardest part to slick, especially if your hair is thick like mine. My hair gets real thick in the middle, so I slick my back first. So I'm gonna part again another section, and I'm gonna spray some water and add some Eco. This is the Curl and Wave Eco. This is the purple one. This is the closest one I've seen, so I just grabbed that one. So I'm gonna take some of that Eco, put it underneath that section, and spray. Take our brush and slick the section up. And doing this in sections, well honestly, whenever I slick my hair, I do the whole head in sections, but doing this part in sections helps you get like a super sleek ponytail. Like y'all see how that's laying flat? That's how we want it. And I just do this for the whole entire back section. And this is an easier way for me to kind of, when I do start the ponytail, I start kind of like gripping the ends of these sections, because my hair, first of all, my arm is tired. That's first and foremost. My hair shrinks up like a lot more than what it used to nowadays. So I could do all this slicking and then there'll be like, it'll seem like there's no hair actually at the top of the ponytail because it's so shrunken and thick. So now that we've done that, take this one out and add that to the ponytail. And just like that, we got a nice high ponytail with a flat back. Now I'm gonna add some gel around the front part. Spray that with some water. And flick away. Now, y'all know I like my ninja buns to be at the top of my head. So I literally bring it up as high as I can. And y'all see that back? It's flat, hunty. Yes. Okay. And before I start actually putting the ponytail in, I'm gonna grab out or pull out my little sideburns so I can have some curlies on the side. When you're ready, secure your ponytail. So I always double my little elastic, and I wrap it around doubled once, and then I let one part go and then continue with the one. Okay, make sure it's nice and tight. Then the last time you want to pull it around like a bun and leave it. So the bun looks kind of messy, but that's how it always looks in the beginning. So once I kind of secure my ponytail, I do go back in and pull my hair out so it's not like super tight nowhere. We got this front section here. Just spray the whole thing up, honestly. And you want to slick her down. Now we kind of have it flat. But this top section here is like the most annoying part of the whole swoop, honestly. So take the clip, push it down to the top part, because that top part be trying to escape, and then pull your swoop like right behind your ear. Secure right in front of your ear, like so. Pull the swoop around and keep securing and pull the rest up. I'll turn around once I'm done. And put another one right here, just so that top part doesn't escape, because that part always trying to do me dirty and wave up and come out. Now we're gonna pull it around and just keep securing. You could use clips, bobby pins, it's up to you. When I get to the top, I am using a bobby pin. So, see the swoop, it's around, and then just goes up into my bun. It looks kind of stupid because my hair is like, the ends of my hair are blonde, so you can like literally see it. But if your hair is black, definitely it won't look as bad, or it will look stupid to me. It may not look stupid to y'all, but if your hair is black, people will definitely not be able to see that your hair is going back into your ponytail. So just fix your swoop up the way you want it, and then fix up your bun. Now y'all know I do the same thing for my ninja buns. Once I do this bun, I take another scrunchie, double it, make my bun tall, grip it up, and stack it up. So I get the ninja bun that I want. My ninja buns be banging, period. All right, so now take some Eco and stick it on your little sideburns so they kind of curl up a little bit. And then we're gonna go on with our Style Factor Edge Booster, fix up our edges, and we are finito. And voila. Now, if you guys like, if you have like shorter bangs, then your swoop won't go all the way up. But I kind of grabbed some hair from like the middle section of my hair too, because I wanted my swoop to come down from like the middle and then around. But how you part your hair, how you do your swoop, is up to you. But this is just my method, and yeah, this is how I get this hairstyle. Y'all asked, so here we go. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Once again, I apologize for the quality, but I'm pretty sure that you guys got the gist. But I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah.